Any object I saw filled me with a new surprise. One morning, when I got up on deck, I saw it covered all over with the snow that fell overnight. As I had never seen anything of the kind before, I thought it was salt. So I immediately ran down to the mate and I desired him as well as I could to come and see how somebody in the night had thrown salt all over the deck. Now, he, knowing what it was, desired me to bring some of it down to him, which accordingly I took up a handful of it, which I found very cold indeed, and when I brought it to him, he desired me to taste it. I did so, and I was surprised beyond measure. I then asked him what it was. He told me it was snow. But I could not in any wise understand him. He asked me if we had no such thing in my country, and I told him no. I was astonished at the wisdom of the white people in all things I saw, but was amazed at their not sacrificing or making any offerings, and eating with unwashed hands, and touching the dead. I likewise could not help remarking the particular slenderness of the women, which I did not at first like, and I thought they were not so modest and shamefaced as the African women. When we arrived at Guernsey, my master placed me to board and lodge with one of his mates who had a wife and family there. This mate had a little daughter aged about 5 or 6 years, with whom I used to be much delighted. This woman behaved to me with great kindness and attention, and taught me everything in the same manner as she did her own child, and indeed in every aspect treated me as such. I was better to the captain on board than any 3 white men he had, for they used to behave ill in many respects, particularly in getting drunk.